The skin never gets its due respect like the heart and lungs, the brain, or other vital organs. We'd be a puddle on the floor without the impressive 21 square feet of flexible integument encasing our bodies. And yes, as a retired dermatologist, I admit my bias. It is also the heaviest organ, tipping the scales at 10–15% of body weight and containing 11 miles of blood vessels. The skin might not pump blood or exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide or do any notable thinking, but its many layers perform an amazing array of vital acts on a daily basis. Waterproofing. We don't absorb water while showering or swimming because our skin is waterproof. Otherwise, every time you get wet, your cells would absorb so much water that they'd balloon and eventually blow up. The skin's structure, including the subcutaneous, under the surface fat layer and the outermost layer of oil, sebum secreted from oil glands, forms a water-repellent barrier. If you soaked in a tub for days and didn't drink any water, you'd still die from dehydration. And the seal works both ways. Since the body is about 60% water, if we didn't have skin to prevent fluids from leaking out, we'd literally evaporate. Protection. The top layer of skin is the first line of defense against bacteria, viruses, chemicals, environmental toxins, and other invaders. The epidermis employs spy cells called Langerhans cells, which alert the immune system to invading harmful germs and toxins and help eliminate them. Any surface abrasion or cut will alert the skin's immunity. Regulates body temperature. Your skin contains sweat glands, 2 to 4 million of them, which produce moisture when your body temperature rises, acting as a built-in coolant. Without sweat glands, you're more prone to internal organ damage, heat stroke, and death. Blood vessels also help and dilate in response to heat to encourage perspiration release. Sensing organ. Your skin is covered with tiny sensory neurons that quickly relay information regarding pain, temperature, and pressure to your brain. So the skin acts as a sense organ because the epidermis, dermis, and the hypodermis contain specialized sensory nerve structures that detect touch, surface temperature, and pain. You can appear younger by using natural skin treatments and taking supplements packed with vitamins. You can also adopt a healthy diet and lifestyle so you nourish your body from the inside out. With a few adjustments to your daily habits, you can look younger in an organic, holistic way. The strategies aimed at preventing photoaging include sun avoidance, sun protection using sunscreens to block or reduce skin exposure to UV radiation, retinoids in order to inhibit collagenase synthesis and to promote collagen production, and antioxidants, particularly in combination, to reduce and neutralize free